Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about examples on multiplication rule. Question number 1. If A is equals to 2 minus 1 first row, 3 0 second row, and B is equals to 1 1 first row minus 2 4 second row, then find AB. See, whenever you are finding A into B, first step you need to check. See, A is the first matrix and B is the second matrix. See, this is the first matrix, 2 rows 2 columns. What is the order here? 2 cross 2. Second matrix, again 2 rows, again 2 columns. Again what is the order here? 2 cross 2. So what to check here? In the first matrix, number of columns you have to check, and in the second matrix, number of rows you need to check. If number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix, then only matrix multiplication is possible. Here 2 is equals to what here? 2. So you can find here A into B. So first A into B solution. First A matrix you note down. What is the A matrix here? 2 minus 1 first row, 3 0 second row, into again 1 1 first row minus 2 4 second row. See, so now you have to go with rows in terms of column. You have to do the multiplication now. So first row you have to go with first column, first row you have to go with second column. Here third column is not there, so you have to stop it here. Afterwards second row first column, second row second column. So multiply now. So first row first column, in that first element with first element, 2 into 1 is 2. So middle always which sign will come here? Plus sign. Again second element with second element, minus into minus is plus, 1 into 2 is what here? 2. Next first row second column, in that again first element with first element, 2 into 1 is 2. Middle always plus sign. Again here minus sign, here plus sign. So multiply the sign first. Minus into plus is minus, 1 into 4 is 4. Next second row first column, 3 into 1 is 3. Next middle plus sign. Next 0 into any value, plus into minus is minus only, 0 into any value will be what here? 0. Next second row second column, 3 into 1 is 3, plus 0 into 4 is what here? 0. 0 into 4 is 0. So next, which is equals to, first multiply the sign here. You first value you keep it as it is, 2 plus 2. Here 2 also keep it as it is, plus into minus is minus, remaining value will be what here? 4. Here 3 you keep it as it is, plus into minus is minus, again 0. Again here 3 plus 0, keep it as it is. So finally add and subtract. So which is equals to, therefore here 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 3 plus 0 is 3. So this is the value of what? A into B. Okay. Suppose if you are finding difficulty while solving matrix multiplication using regular method, you go with matrix multiplication using box method. Yes. So matrix multiplication using box method, first step what to do? Trace 2 lines like this. Okay. So next in this part what to do? First matrix rows you have to note down. What to do in this part? first matrix A into B. A is the first matrix. In the first matrix, how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. Both the rows you need to note down here. Next, in this part what to do? Second matrix, number of columns you need to note down. See, this is the second matrix, B is the second matrix. How many columns are here? 2 columns. Both the columns you have to note down. See now. So first step, what to do? Trace 2 lines like this. So in this part, first matrix, only rows you have to note down. What is the first row? 2, -1 over. After the first row, trace 1 line like this. Next, go with the second row. What is the second row value? 3, 0. Again one more line you trace. But here third row is not present, only 2 rows are there. Here only you need to stop. Next, in this part. So in this part, what to do? Second matrix, columns you need to note down. What is the first column here? 1, -2. 1, -2. Afterwards, put 1 line. Next, second column you note down. What is the second column here? 1, 4. Again here third column is not there, so stop it here only. Here you corner, you just mention what you are doing here, A into B. This is the first step. Getting? So in this part, what to do? Always first matrix rows you need to note down. In this part, second matrix, only columns you have to note down. So afterwards, you have to do the multiplication. Remember, while doing the multiplication, multiply the sign first, then multiply the values. See, these 2 you have to multiply, keep it here. These 2 you have to multiply, keep the answer here. Afterwards, these 2 you have to multiply, here you need to keep. Again, these 2 you have to multiply, answer here you have to keep it. So remember, while multiplying, first multiply the sign. See, always while multiplying, first element with first element, second element with second element. So plus into plus is plus only. 2 into 1 is 2. So note down here 2. Next, minus into minus is what? Plus. So here you have to mention plus sign, because minus into minus is plus. Suppose here plus sign is there, here minus sign is there. That time plus into minus will be what? Minus. That time here you have to mention what? Negative sign. But here which sign you are getting? Positive sign you are getting, because minus into minus is plus. 1 into 2 is 2 over. These 2 you have to multiply, keep the answer here. Next, this value with this value you have to multiply now. So 2 into 1, plus into plus is plus only. 2 into 1 is 2. Next, minus into plus. Here nothing means plus sign, here minus sign is there. So minus into plus is minus. 1 into 4 is what? 4. Next, now these 2. Plus into plus is plus. 3 into 1 is 3. Next, here plus sign, but here negative sign is there. So plus into minus is minus. 0 into any value will be what? 0. Next, plus into plus is plus. 3 into 1 is 3. Next, plus into plus is plus. 0 into any value will be what? 0. 0 into any value will be 0. So after doing this, next note down, A into B is equals to, in matrix form, whichever the values you will get here, same values you note down. First one in the same pattern only. First 2 plus 2. So here 2 minus 4. Next, below here 3 minus 0, and here 3 plus 0. Same pattern you have to follow. So afterwards add and subtract. So 2 plus 2, 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 3 minus 0 is 3, and 3 plus 0 is what? 3. So this is the value of AB. See, regular method also you are getting the same answer, 4 minus 2, 3, 3. In box method also you are getting the same answer, 4 minus 2, 3, 3. So which one is convenient for you people, you go by that method. Suppose if you are finding difficulty in while solving regular method, go with the box method. Both the steps are correct only. Next example, if A is equals to first row 2, 1, 3, second row 4 minus 1 minus 1, B is equals to first row 2, second row 5, third row is 1, find A into B. So whenever you are doing matrix multiplication, first check the condition. What to check? First see the order. What is the first matrix order? 2 rows, 3 columns. So 2 rows, how many columns here? 3 columns. Second matrix, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and only 1 column. So what to check? In the first matrix, A is the first matrix. In the first matrix, number of columns. In the second matrix, number of rows. Both are what here? Equal. Therefore, A into B is possible. So now first I am going to solve this example by using regular method. Afterwards I am going to solve this example by using box method. So first by using regular method. So first AB solution. AB is equals to first A matrix 2, 1, 3 first row, 4 minus 1 minus 1 second row into second matrix 2, 5, 1. Yes, you have to go rows in terms of what? Column. Therefore first, see first row you have to multiply with first column, but here second column is not there, so here only you need to stop it. In that, first element with first element, second element with second element, third element with third element, you multiply. So middle always plus sign will come. So 2 into 2, 4. Next middle plus sign, 1 into 5, 5 plus sign, 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Over. First row, first column is over. Next second row, first column. So 4 into 2, 8. Next middle always with sign, plus sign. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 5 is 5. Again middle plus sign. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 1 is 1. Close the bracket. Correct? First row, first column, note down here. Second row with first column, note down here. So next, first multiply the sign. So here all the values keep it as it is, 4 plus 5 plus 3. Next here multiply the sign first, 8 plus into minus is minus 5 plus into minus is minus 1. Plus into minus is minus 1. So now add and subtract. So which is equals to 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the value of what? A into B. So this is the value of A into B. So now, or you can solve by using box method. So first same step, A into B is equals to first matrix 2, 1, 3 first row, 4 minus 1 minus 1 second row into first column, 2, 5, 1. So first trace 2 lines like this. Here you are doing A into B. So in this part, what I said, first matrix number of rows you have to note down. How many rows are here? 2 rows are there. So what is the first row? 2, 1, 3. Put one line. Next here second row. What is the second row? 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Again put one line. Third row is not there, so here only you need to stop it. So next, in this part, second matrix, number of columns, but in the second matrix how many columns are there? Only one column is there. So what is that value? 2 comma 5 comma 1. 2 comma 5 comma 1. Over here second column is not there, so here only you need to stop. So now these two you have to multiply, note down here. These two you have to multiply, note down here. So in that, first element with first element, multiply the sign first. Plus into plus is plus, 2 into 2 is 4. Plus into plus is plus, 1 into 5 is 5. Plus into plus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3. Next, second row with first column. So here, plus into plus is plus, 4 into 2 is 8. Minus into plus is minus, 1 into 5 is 5. Minus into plus is minus, 1 into 1 is 1. Over. So next, you want AB value. So AB is equals to, see in this pattern only you have to write the values in matrix form. So first is 4 plus 5 plus 3 below 8 minus 5 minus 1. Now add and subtract. So which is equals to 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 12. 8 minus 5 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the value of A into B. Next example. If A is equals to first row 2, second row 4, B is equals to first row 3 minus 2 minus 1, find A into B. So first matrix, what is the order? How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns here? Only 1 column. Second matrix, how many rows? Only 1 row. But how many columns here? 3 columns. So here 3 columns. So in the first matrix, number of columns only 1. Second matrix, number of rows only 1. Therefore 1 is equals to 1. Therefore A into B is possible. So first A, B is equals to, so first matrix value into second matrix value, 3 minus 2 minus 1. So now which is equals to, see here first row first column over second row second column, sorry, first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Afterwards second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. So in that, remember, in one first row only one element is there, second row only one element is there. Here also first column only one element, second column also only one element, third column also only one element. So only one element you need to multiply. So here 2 into 3, 6. Over. Again here don't write plus and minus because first row first column is over. Next, first row second column, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 2 is 4. Next, second row first row second column is over. Next, first row third column, 2 into minus 1 is plus, into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2. See, first row first column here, first row second column here, first row third column here. Why I am writing here separately? Because in the first row first column only one element is there. If second element comes here second element comes, that time here plus sign used to come. But here only one element in the first row, only one element in the first column. That values only directly have to multiply. 2 into 3 is 6 over. Next, first row second column, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Next, first row third column, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Afterwards, second row, first column. Again in that, only one element in the second row, only one element in the first column. So directly multiply 4 into 3, 12. Next, over. Second row, second column. Plus into minus is minus. 4 into 2 is 8. Next, second row, third column. Plus into minus is minus. 4 into 1 is 4. So this is the final answer of A into B. Now, by using box method, or first, A, B is equals to, A is 2, 4 and B value is 3 minus 2 minus 1. So trace two lines. So note down here AB. So in this part what I said, first matrix only rows you have to write down. See in the first matrix how many rows are here? 2 rows. What is the first row? Only 2. Only one element is there. Afterwards trace one line. Second row is 4. Trace one more line. Over. In this part, second matrix, columns you have to note down. First column, only one element, that is 3, over, put one line. Second column, minus 2, only one element is there, put one line. Third column, in that only one element is present, that is minus 1. Yes. So final answer, it will come in the so 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. So what I said, final answer, it will come in this pattern only. Therefore, what is the final answer here? 6 minus 4 minus 2, 12 minus 8 minus 4. Don't add and subtract. So here how many boxes are there? 6 boxes are there. Answer comes in that pattern only. 6 minus 4 minus 2, 12 minus 8 minus 4. So this is the answer of A into B. Next question. If A is equals to minus 1052, then find A square. See, in the previous example, two matrices was there. A is equals to one matrix, B is equals to another matrix. Question was find AB. But here only one matrix is there. What they are asking? They are asking to find out which value? A square. Therefore, solution, you know, A square can be written as what? A into A. Here A into A. So A is the first matrix and this A is the second matrix. Same value 2 times you need to repeat. So first A. What is the A value? Minus 1, 0, 5, 2 into again A value. Again minus 1, 0, 5, 2. So see first matrix, what is the order? 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. Second matrix also same order, 2 cross 2. But in the first matrix, number of columns 2. Second matrix, number of rows 2. Both are same. Therefore, A into A, that is A square, is possible. Now we have to go rows in terms of columns. So now, first row, first column. In that first element with first element, minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1 is 1. Middle plus sign. 0 into any value is 0. Next, first row, second column. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 0 is 0. Plus into plus is plus. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Next, second row, first column, plus into minus is minus, 5 into 1 is 5. Next, middle always with sign, plus 5 into 2 is 10. Next, second row, second column, plus into plus is plus, 5 into 0 is 0, middle again plus sign, 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore, final answer is 1 plus 0 is 1, minus 0 plus 0 means again it is 0, minus 5 plus 10 is plus 5, 0 plus 4 is 4. So this is the value of what? A square. So now, or box method. Same, A square, E can be written as what? A into A. First matrix, A you write down minus 1, 0, 5, 2 into minus 1, 0, 5, 2. So next, put the line. Here you note down AB in this part. First matrix, rows you have to write down. This is the first matrix, A is the first matrix. First row is minus 1, 0. Put one line. Second row is 5, 2. Over. Here, second matrix, columns you have to note down. What is the first column here? Minus 1, 5. Second column is 0, 2. Now multiply. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. Plus into plus is plus, 0 into 5 is 0. Next, minus into plus is minus, 1 into 0 is 0. Next, plus into plus is plus, 0 into 2 is 0. Next, plus into minus is minus, 5 into 1 is 5. Next, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 5 is 10. Next, plus into plus is plus, 5 into 0 is 0. Next, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore, A into B is equals to, final answer comes in this format only, in this pattern only. Therefore, in matrix form, note down. So, first value is 1 plus 0. Second element minus 0 plus 0. Third element minus 5 plus 10. Last one 0 plus 4. Therefore, which is equals to. So now 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 5 plus 10 is plus 5. 0 plus 4 is how much? 4. So this is the value of what? So here A square comes. Sorry. A square. This is the value of what? A square.